Today we'll be showcasing the precision of the Fusion Galvo G100 and its ability to engrave beautiful photos on metal pendants. We'll start with our page size set to the size of a pendant with a circle that is 0.938 by 0.938 inches. Photos with a white background are ideal for engraving on a pendant for clarity and beauty. We'll power clip our first photo inside of the circle. Right-click and choose Edit Power Clip, then position the photo inside the circle as you'd like it to appear. Right-click and choose Finish Editing Power Clip. Turn off the outline on the circle. With the photo selected, we'll print this image to the laser, selection only. In the laser dashboard, we can use the camera to position the artwork over the pendant we've placed in our Fusion Galvo G100. Next, we'll import our settings, selecting the folder icon with the down arrow. Since we're engraving a photo, we'll choose the Engraved tab, then use Brass Engrave Photo Settings. We're using a 60-watt MOPA laser, so we're using 500 dpi, 20% speed, 100% power, 1% frequency, and a waveform of 10. We're also using a Stucky dithering pattern. Print the file to the laser. Now, we're ready for our second file setup. Go ahead and return to your design file. We'll turn the outline of the circle back on for easy positioning. Right-click on the circle and choose Extract Contents. Now, we'll power clip our second photo in the circle. Select Edit Power Clip. Resize and position the image in the way you'd like it to appear on the pendant. Select Finish Editing Power Clip. Turn off the outline on the photo and print the file to the laser. We'll use the same settings, so we just need to position our artwork with the camera, then print the file to the laser. You can repeat this process with multiple photos to create stunning jewelry engraved with photos of a customer's loved ones. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more laser engraving tutorials.